I'm Dr. Anne O'Donnell and I'm here in Mullingar Dental and just want to talk to you about our experience with Dentaqua. We started using DENT-AQUA first as a solution for our water lines to keep the biofilm at bay. It provides an eco-friendly and an easy to use. I think that's really important, especially for the staff. We have the Dentaqua machine which makes our solution daily, so we know exactly what we're using. Then the added benefit was that we can use Dentaqua for lots of other applications. So we've now replaced our tubs of wipes, and we were always concerned with these wipes because a lot of them were alcohol based, so at the end of the tub the alcohol had evaporated. We were never really sure of their efficiency. With Dentaqua we know exactly what we have, and we're using biodegradable paper wipes now with them, so again it's eco-friendly. No more plastic tubs to dispose of, no more ordering of tubs. We actually make our own solution. We're using it for to spray our impressions, and we're using it as a pre-rinse for patients. And so we've suddenly, our ordering has reduced considerably, and the stock that we have to hold, less waste, and an eco-friendly, easy to use product. So we're delighted with Dentaqua here at Mullingar Dental.